Hello everyone, today we discuss about the marketing. What is marketing? Marketing is a very popular term in business. If a company want to launch a new product, first of all the company must be know about the what are the needs and wants of customers, and research to the market and try to know about the wants of a customer. So marketing is the process of getting potential customers interested in your product or service. First of all, marketing is a process for which marketing is a process of getting potential customer or a suitable customer interested in your product, who are interested to purchase the product or use the services of a company, product or services. Marketing is a process of finding out the potential customers who are interested to use or purchase of products or services. Otherwise, marketing is an activity which are consist of getting right products or services to the right customer at the right place at the right time at the right communication. Marketing is a process through which a company know about the wants of a customer. As per the need or wants of a customer, the company produced product or services and provide to the right consumers at the right place and the right time at the proper communication, through the proper communication. That categorized in two parts, that is old concept and a new concept. According to the old concept of marketing, and in this old concept of marketing, it consists of production, purchase and sale activities. That in this old concept, marketing work activities under production, purchase and sales activities. Marketing includes in those three activities, production, purchase and sales activities. But according to the new concept of marketing process, marketing consists or marketing activities include production, purchase, sales and extra work is added after sale service. According to the old concept of marketing consists of production, purchase, sales activities. But in new concept, modern concept of marketing, it consists of production, purchase, sale and after sale service. Old concept is product oriented, but new concept is consumer oriented. And in old concept, its activities come to an end on sale. After sale, the work of marketing is end. But according to the modern concept of marketing, is a continuous process which start with a consumer and end with a consumer. That means after sale marketing work as like to provide service. After sale service, it add the sale service. It provides after sale service. It is extra in new modern concept of marketing. In old concept, it does not give importance consumer satisfaction. It only aim to earning profits. Not for satisfaction of a consumer. But in new concept, it provide importance in consumer satisfaction. First, it provide importance in consumer satisfaction, and after that it aims to earning profit by satisfying consumer, and it provides after sales service. Then overall there are two concepts of marketing. Old concept is different from the new concept. In old concept it include only production, purchase and sales, but in new concept include production, purchase, sale and after sale service. Old concept is product oriented, but new concept is consumer oriented. In old concept the marketing activities come to an end on sale. After sale marketing work is over. But in new concept or according to the new concept, the marketing works begins with the consumer and end with the consumer. That provide service after sale. And according to the new concept of marketing is a continuous process which provides service after sales as per the need or demand of the customer in a proper way. In old concept of marketing, it does not provide importance, it does not give importance to consumer satisfaction, but in new concept of marketing, it first priority to consumer satisfaction. And last, according to the old concept of marketing, it aims to only earning profit or maximization of profit. But according to the new concept of marketing, it aims to earning profit by satisfying consumers. Overall, all are about the marketing and the concept of marketing